Best Beginner DSLR Cameras 2019. 10 Cheap DSLRs perfect for new users. If you're ready to make the step up from your smartphone or point and shot, then these are the best beginner DSLRs you can buy right now in 2019. An entry-level, beginner DSLR is the natural progression when you feel like you've outgrown your point-and-shoot compact camera or are no longer satisfied with the snaps you get from your smartphone. If that's that case, you've come to the right place to find out what the best entry-level DSLR is to help you take your photography to the next level. DSLRs for beginners deliver a big step up in image quality over a compact camera or smartphone. They may share the same amount of megapixels, but the size of an entry-level DSLR's sensor is physically much larger in most cases, allowing for superior results with more detail and better low-light performance. That's not forgetting that entry-level DSLRs offer far more manual control and the ability to change lenses to tackle a huge variety of projects. Don't worry though, there are also a host of auto modes to help you out until you're comfortable with the more creative controls that a DSLR offers. Obviously, the more features you want on your entry-level DSLR, the more you'll pay, but do you actually need them? Our top camera is one of the cheapest on the market, but it still offers impressive performance and image quality, plus enough features to handle most photographic assignments, especially if you're still learning. If you're buying your first DSLR, it makes sense to buy it as a kit, which generally includes the camera body along with an 18 to 55 mm lens. Often referred to as a kit lens, this covers a pretty broad zoom range, perfect for everything from landscapes to portraits, but that's just the start. Look closely though, and manufacturers will often offer two types of kit lens, one with image stabilization and one without. There's not much difference in price normally, so go for the kit with the image stabilized lens as it'll make it easier to sharper shoot images at slower shutter speeds. They're more than adequate to get started, but the key advantage of DSLRs over compact cameras is that you can add to your kit with additional lenses. For example, wide-angle and telephoto zoom lenses, a flashgun, and other accessories, to make the most of whatever types of photography you're into.